what's it called? It's not fucking far away. What's crazy? Like I was
Mm-hmm.
talking about, Gerald works an hour a day.
Mm-hmm.
You work 3 hours a day, and it's not far. Let's say you get going. Let's say you for your first year you make 100K or even
Yeah.
80K, and you still have a full-time job, and you can use all that money that you
Mm-hmm.
made from those deals to put VAs in place. You can keep that full-time job.
Yeah.
100% you can keep that full-time job.
I highly suggest you keep that full-time job. The only reason I'm not working, dog, is because of COVID. Because I can't sit here and tell you that if COVID hadn't happened and there was no substitute teaching jobs, that I wouldn't be substitute teaching right now. I 100% would be substitute teaching right now because it was a comfort. It was a comfort. It was still good money. This business, yeah, it was generating a lot of money, but at the end of the day, I would have been able to probably do a whole lot more. But bro, COVID hit. You start changing your schedule. I work 3 hours a week now. I get to spend more time with my family. There's no point in giving that up anymore.
No.